Welcome to the training video on security insights, this time specifically asset lifecycle. Asset lifecycle is obviously quite important to make sure that you know when do your assets go end of life, when are they not supported anymore, because this is tightly related to also support of those specific assets. Do they continue to get security updates, updates in general to improve their usability? And when do you need to replace them? How often do you need to replace them for other types of devices like switches, etc.? So it's important to just make sure that you know how long is your device supported and when do you need replacing, when it needs replacing, so you can start preparing for that as well. So we're going to take a look in Lansweeper itself to show you how you can manage your asset lifecycle and what kind of tools we provide for that. So here in Lansweeper on the dashboard, we actually have a lifecycle specific dashboard. So here on the lifecycle dashboard, we got a selection of widgets that show you which hardware is end of life, which hardware is end of service, OSs that are end of life or end of service, and then additionally on top of that, there's extra widgets that show you kind of percentage wise, which assets are getting close to end of life, which operating systems are getting close to end of life. There's some details here as well on this widget, show you, kind of a summary of end of life system and end of service systems. All of these kind of help you ensure that you know when things are going end of life or end of service, that you can prepare for it and replace them or upgrade them if needed. So if we go here to the hardware already end of life widget, we get an overview of all of the devices that are now end of life, so that should be replaced or upgraded to actually make continue having supported devices. So you can see here that there's a variation of devices going from kind of switches to Linux devices, even an iPhone here that's also end of life. And if we continue on to those, go to the asset page itself. You can see that scroll down a bit. We have like a life cycle tab here as well that shows you details on the actual device itself. So we can see that the operating system is still supported, but then the hardware itself is end of life. So there'll be different types of end of life and life cycle information shown there as well. Aside from the dashboard, we also have reports that are specific to lifecycle. You can find those in the security category, and then there'll be lifecycle. We quite regularly add new reports in here, not only just reports for specific operating systems for hardware, but also software related end of lives are also added in here. If we scroll down here, for example, we can see here Exchange server end of life, Microsoft project end of life. These are just a couple of examples of software related end of lives that we add in there. So be sure to check back in here regularly to see and find new software, hardware, operating system, whatever it might be, end of life related reports, so you can kind of stay on top and ensure that you have supported versions of your hardware, your software. So that's all related to vulnerabilities as well, that you ensure that you're not vulnerable to any of the vulnerabilities that have been fixed in new updates, in new versions, etc. So with that, that will be all for this specific lifecycle video. You can head over to the other videos to learn more.